Being short on time doesn't mean that you can't create awesome content. I'll prove it to you. Yeah, the editing process is notoriously tedious, but thankfully we don't have to worry much about that nowadays. We've got CapCut's full suite of AI tools to speed things along and keep the creative juices flowing. I want to show you some great AI tools on the CapCut app that I suggest keeping at the top of your mind while editing. But first, are you subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel? If you aren't, you definitely should be. We post a ton of product updates and tutorials to help creators, and I don't want you to miss out. Alright, now that you're subscribed, let's open the mobile app. The first tool I want to show you is going to make crafting voiceovers easier than ever. It's called text to audio. It's within the text menu, and all you have to do is paste in your script. I mean, even if you don't already have a script, you can use the AI writer to craft one for you. Just select your topic and then give the writer your idea and some highlights, as well as the duration of your video. CapCut's AI writer will shoot out 3 scripts for you to choose from. From there, just pick your voiceover. Do you want it to be male or female? Maybe a character or in a specific narration style? There are so many different options to choose from here. You can even include an avatar if you want someone on camera without having to film a clip yourself. Once you tap the next button, you'll see that your video now has the voiceover and captions. It's seriously that easy. Moving right along on the audio train, let's talk about music. It sets the vibe and feel for your content, but we don't all have the time to scroll through the song library and find the perfect tune. Let's head into the audio menu and then go to AI music. This will automatically generate music for your video based on the content. So if you filmed a fun vacation vlog, it'll add high energy tropical music. If you're telling a serious story, it'll add more somber music to match that. And if you want to customize your song, you can do that here as well. Simply type in the genre you're going for and how long you'd like the song to be. Tap the generate button and voila! You've got a custom song that fits perfectly with your video's look and feel. And the best part? It's copyright free, of course. Now that we've got some great audio related tools under our belt, let's talk visuals. You always want the content you're putting out there to be high quality and easy to watch, right? But if you didn't film in the best quality or just want to amp up your visuals, CapCut obviously has you covered. Let's head into the edit menu and then go into video quality. The auto enhance tool will automatically raise your video's quality to 4K. No more worrying about your content's fuzzy low-res look. You can also auto adjust your video's color grading within this menu. Simply use the slider to determine the intensity. Thanks to these tools, I'm not spending 45 minutes messing around with various sliders and trying to get the look of my content right. CapCut does it all for me. I feel like you can't talk about visuals without also talking about the AI background remover. If you make green screen content or showcase a bunch of different photos or videos in your content, that's me. This is key. If you head into the Remove BG menu, you'll find the Auto Removal tool. In just a tap, your background is gone, your video is clean, and you're ready to add in the image you're trying to green screen. What I really love about this tool is that you can also add a stroke around your subject. So I can put a little glow around myself, a drop shadow, a dotted line, truly whatever I'm feeling that day. Now that we've got our audio and visuals on point, let's talk about the actual edit. Let's head into the Transcript tool. I can use this to edit my video via its transcript. So instead of taking the time to split my clips and remove any filler words and awkward pauses, I can do so here with the tap of a button. I can also make larger edits here too. I can get rid of entire sentences or chapters in my video when I delete them here. But the coolest part to me is the eye contact tool. This is key if you use the CapCut teleprompter or look off screen at your script. CapCut's AI will automatically fix your eye contact so that you're actually looking at the camera. Eye contact is key to making that authentic connection with your audience, so I think this is a really cool feature. But let's take it a step further, because why not? If you haven't heard about CapCut's AI clip maker, I'm about to blow your mind. This is actually a browser tool, so I'm on my laptop for this one. This is for my podcasters, my YouTubers, my long-form content creators. If you've been struggling to cut down short-form clips to promote your content, this tool will literally do it for you. All you have to do is drop your full long-form file here, select how you'd like the captions to look, and set your duration. I'm tapping the convert button, and in the time it takes me to go make a cup of coffee or grab a snack, I've got several short-form videos to choose from. Each video is even titled. These are great to pull in as hook text. If you're still spending hours upon hours editing and struggling to find time to post your content, CapCut's AI tools will be your best friends. From audio fixes to visual amp-ups to taking over the editing process for you entirely, this app seriously does it all. What's your favorite AI tool? I want to hear what's changing the game for you. And if you haven't downloaded the CapCut mobile and desktop apps, what are you doing? Download them, enjoy your stress-free editing process, and get your content out there to the world. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Happy creating!